Hello, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you a YesStyle haul. So it's all makeup, all Asian makeup. So we've got K-beauty, Japanese makeup. I think there's some Chinese makeup in here as well. Flower Nose, isn't that a Chinese brand? I think so. I might be wrong. But anyway, we've got all sorts in here. I've got it all in my cute little Hello Kitty box just here. And we're going to run through. I might do some swatches, but I'm not going to do all swatches because I'm planning to do a full face of makeup using these as well, which will be within the next week. And yeah, I'll try them out for you properly in that video as well and do swatches and everything. So the very first item I have is this one here. This is a brand that I have used quite a few times actually. It's called Colorrorose. They do the most amazing makeup. I believe this is a Chinese brand and the packaging is always so beautiful. They quite often use this, what do they call this, cameo on the packaging, which is really pretty. So you can open it just by actually pulling this off, and then obviously there's a little flap there, but I've actually done it at the bottom. So this is one of their lipsticks and the packaging is stunning. Look at that, so beautiful. We've got this little gem here as well. So we open it up and the lipstick itself actually is embossed or engraved like this. Oh, it's not going to focus unless I do this. I hate doing this, but yeah, looks like that. Very pretty. It's a really nice deep red. It's not a bright red, it's a nice deep red. I will swatch this one for you. So it's like that. Really nice matte lipstick, and as I say, it's a beautiful deep red. Stunning. Also got a few bits from Flower Nose. I got one of their mirrors. I've wanted one of these for ages, absolutely ages. This one is from the Strawberry Cupid collection and it's the red velvet mirror. So look at this. How stunning is this? But the detail on it is so beautiful. It really is. Oh, I just love it. I've got the frosted thing on it, but yeah, it's so nice. This bow is detachable as well. It actually, you know, comes completely off. It's got like a little elastic thing on it and then you can just put it on. The only thing I will say is that it's quite loose. Like the bow is quite loose. So I might, because I want to keep that on, so I might actually just pop a little bit of glue on the back of it just to keep it in place. But how stunning is that? I just love it. It reminds me of like, you know, that old fashioned like Victorian style mirrors that you used to have on the, well, not I wasn't alive then, but they used to have on the dressing tables. Oh, I've got a bit of a dodgy throat. I've done a lot of filming today and I think my voice is starting to go. Also picked up one of the eyeshadow palettes and it's this one here. Also from the Strawberry Cupid collection. This is the, what one was this? Cupid's Mischief. So the packaging is like this. Very pretty. Flower Nose is known for their amazing packaging. It's like really like out of this world. And then this is the palette itself. So beautiful, absolutely stunning. These are the sort of things that you want on display. You know, they are so beautiful, really intricate and just stunning. But I found that the makeup, I've found a couple of bits I've used in the past haven't quite been, you know, amazing. They've been good, but not amazing. But most of it I've found to be really good. So this is the actual colour story though. Look at this. It is so beautiful. You almost don't want to dig into these because they're just, you know, each pan is just stunning. But I love these colours. These two colours are very me. But this one you could use as a highlighter as well. It's really nice. Just look at them. They're so pretty. This is one of the ones that I will swatch in the, you know, trying it out video. Or the review video, I should say, tried it out video. And then I also got one of the liquid blushes as well. I love a liquid blush, love them. This one is also from the Strawberry Cupid collection. I don't know why I'm finding that so hard to say. But this one, what shade did I get? What shade is this? Rosy Madeleine, so number 6. And again, you know, as expected, it's got beautiful packaging. It's quite heavy as well. And then it's got one of these type of doe foots. This actually looks very similar to Rare Beauty Happy, like the shade Happy, which is one of my favourites. But yeah, look, it's so pretty. I'll just blend that out a little bit just so we can see. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Can't wait to try that out. Also got the cutest little puff. Look at this. This is from Judydoll, and it's like a little finger puff that you put for your your under eyes. Oh, sorry about that. For your under eyes or like your little nose area and that sort of thing. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Yeah, really nice and soft actually, and quite squidgy. But yeah, it's perfect. Sort of the shape is perfect as well because it's got that little point on it. So, you know, for going like around, I'm not touching my face by the way, but going around your eyes, around here, or as I say, like around the nose area here. Yeah, that'd be absolutely perfect. So cute. Got a stick highlight. So this one's a brand I've not heard of actually, a Biya or Biya? Biya. I think it's Biya, B-I-Y-A. And it's like one of those, I don't think it's one of those like really shimmery highlighters. Packaging's like that. I think it's one of those more glowy ones, and I actually really like these. So it's like that. So it's a really nice shade. Let's do it here. So yeah, oh look at that. That is stunning actually. Really nice. It's really nice and creamy as well. It's a bit of a pinky, like a pinky champagne. Yeah, really nice. Reminds me actually a bit of, you know, the Merit Beauty highlighter, like the dewy sort of finish ones. Reminds me of that. Very similar texture as well. I got this. This is an eyeliner. So this is from Novo, another one that's new to me. Uniform Colour Rendering eyeliner. It's the Floral Glitz Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. So yeah, look, it's got a little flower on it. How cute. So yeah, we've got this like ombre packaging just here. This little blue lid with this tiny little flower. I thought that was adorable. Yeah, it's one of those like brush tip ones. I love these. So, oh wow. That's really, really easy to use. Nice and black as well. Very opaque. Then I also got this blush. So this is from Judydoll, the brand that does those tiny little puffs. And this one is the Hot Pretty blush powder in the shade Peach Milk Tea. So yeah, it's like this. I love this brand. It looks so cute with the little flower. But it's it actually looks a bit browny on camera. I think it does anyway. But it's actually quite a peachy colour. So yeah, it looks really pretty. It says number 41 on the back. So yeah, that's really nice, isn't it? Very, very pretty shade. It does look brown on camera though. I'm sure it does. I know when I edit. But yeah, no, it's a really nice like peachy apricot shade. A matte blush again. I got this, it says eyeshadow on it, but yeah, I thought it was a highlighter. But it's this one here from Joocee. I've seen so many pretty, like on Instagram, pretty little videos that they do. Wanted to try this brand out for a while actually. But yeah, looks like this. So it's really nice like champagne shimmer. As I say, I thought it was a highlighter. I might actually use it as a highlighter. But it says it's a single eyeshadow. So pretty. So swatch. Yeah, it feels like a highlighter as well though. It feels really nice. So yeah, wow, look at that. I don't know, it might be a bit much actually as a highlighter. Oh, I don't know though, that is stunning. Look at that. That is beautiful. Really nice. Yeah, it is the perfect highlighter shade. Might be a little bit on the glittery side. I know it's an eyeshadow. It might be a bit on the glittery side, but I'm definitely going to try it. And then very lastly, I got this little lip kit type thing. Gogo Tales, and it's G01 is the shade, and it's the Cloud Sensation Double Spell Lip Cream. These look so cool. It looks like a little like earpod case, doesn't it? It even opens up like it as well. I love it. So yeah, the colours are in there. Can you see? We've got two colours in there. And then there is a little spatula. Comes out the middle. You see? Like that. So yeah, I'll just use my finger because as I say, I'm going to test these out. Wow, that is so smooth. The tiniest amount there. But, wow, see, look how pigmented that is. Oh, that's really nice. It's like one of those blurry type products, like the Fui ones. That's so nice. Looks way better in person than it does on camera. But oh, I love that. And then I think next to it, let's use a cotton bud. I think next to it is like a little bit of a gloss as well. So yeah, you can't really see that one quite as much. Just a little bit of pigment to it. Looks pigmented on the cotton bud. But yeah, it's like that. Well, I don't know actually. It's not too bad at all. But oh, I can't wait to use that. The colour is really nice as well. So yeah, love that. I love these blurry products. But yeah, there we go. There is my little YesStyle makeup haul. I cannot wait to dig in to all of these products together. They all look so nice. They really do. Yeah, as I say, that'll be very, very soon. I think I've got it scheduled for, if it's not the next video, then it's the one after that. As always, I will link all the products shown in today's video in the description box below for you, along with a discount code as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!